Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Artsy Hub. So in this video I'll be sharing on how I have restored this beautiful oil painting of Swamiji. So here as you can see, there's a lot of fungus that has appeared in this painting. A lot of fungus which has almost spoiled the painting in the background. So this was a very tricky one because you know um, when we do this restoration process anything could happen. The paints might go, the paper might tear off because this is a paper, this is done on paper. So it was a bit tricky and challenging for me. So here I'll be sharing you all on what process that I've used here. So initially I cleaned it with tissue. As you can see, there's a lot of dust that has been cleaned. And the next step, we are going to use a linseed oil since this is an oil painting. So this is the Winsor Newton linseed oil, which is one of the best brands. So I'll be using and cleaning it from the surface using a cotton or a tissue. So a cotton or a tissue is always recommended here. And if you're using any rough brush, there's a high chance that your painting might spoil. So use cotton. It's very smooth and painting is not may not spoil. And also after this you have to keep it for drying the for 3 to 4 days. It depends on the climate where you stay, and it has to dry. After it completely dries, then you're going to do the varnishing. Now here, this is the varnishing step. So oil painting varnish. It's a thick varnish. I'll be also showing you all on which varnish I use. So this is I'm using a small brush. um, and as you can see, this is the varnish, Galer Rowney oil medium varnish. It's one of the best according to me. I use Winsor Newton varnish and the Daler Rowney, which is really good. So little by little, I'll be giving the touch up like this. So almost that fungus has gone. It's a beautiful painting by PV Sujit. It's an old painting, maybe a 50-60 year old painting it is. And I'm really happy that it reached to me for the restoration. I got a chance to restore the painting. Really grateful. Thank you for watching. See, this is the after process.